Alright, hello again. Quick video today to check in on page 37, numbers 7 through 11 from task 9.6. Starting right here with number 7. So they're asking us to interpret the slope. They gave us the equation of negative 0.76x plus 9.8. Remember, this is a continuation from the last couple days of this problem about the hours spent on the smartphone compared to the score on the test. So now we have an equation for this line of best fit, and the slope of it, negative 0.76, I can interpret that over 1 like a rise and a run, and it tells me that the x value of 1 for every 1 hour spent on the smartphone, and then the y value went down by 0.76, so that's the test score, goes down by 0.76. Part B asking us to interpret the y-intercept, so that again comes from the equation. The y-intercept is 9.8. So that's 0, 9.8. That's if x is 0. If you spend 0 hours on the smartphone, then y is 9.8. You will get a 9.8 on the test. And moving on to number 9. Now using the equation to make a prediction of what happens after 3 hours on the smartphone. That's an x value, so I replaced the letter x with the number 3. Then used a calculator to evaluate that math problem. Ended up with an answer of 7.52. That's with 3 hours on the smartphone, we predict a test score of 7.52. And last couple problems here, asking us to check specific points from the scatter plot, see how well the line of best fit did or didn't predict them. So first one, number 10, looking at the point 4, 8, and asking, did the regression line over or under predict that test score? So if we go back up to the original scatter plot and look at 4, 8, and that's right over here at over 4, up 8. That's this point that I darkened in right there. You'll notice the point is above the line. And another way to say that is the line is below the point. So if the line is below the point, the line would have predicted something down here, which was too low. The actual value was up here, so the line under-predicted. So there's my answer for number 10. Under-predict, the actual point 4, 8 is above the line, so the line was below that. The line under-predicted that value. And very similarly now in number 11, we'll check one more. This time it's 1, 8. Back to the scatter plot, look at over 1, up 8. This time you'll notice the point is below the line, or another way to say that, the line is above the point. So the line was over-predicting that value. The actual point 1, 8 is below the line is above the point, the line over-predicted that value. So go ahead at this point, work on page 38, that's numbers 12 through 16. Do remember that over there's a typo on number 15, and if you check number 15, can you change that to say 5, 0 instead of 1, 0? Then go ahead, work on page 38, upload it to Google Classroom when you're done. Thank you very much.